everyone, welcome to Kids for Learning. Today I'm going to read a book called The Puppet Who Wanted Hair by Trish Cooke. So let's read. Pinocchio was a little puppet made from the smoothest, darkest ebony wood, and he lived in Jerome's toy shop. The trouble was, Pinocchio didn't want to look like a puppet anymore. He wanted to look like the children who visited the shop. "I want red, thick, wavy hair like Chad," said Pinocchio. So the toy maker wanted to make Pinocchio happy, so he made him some red, thick, wavy hair. But it didn't feel right. "I want brown, straight, short hair like Isabella," said Pinocchio. So the toy maker made Pinocchio some brown, straight, short hair. But that didn't feel right either. "I want long, fine, blonde hair that flaps in the wind, like Sophie," said Pinocchio. So the toy maker made Pinocchio some long, fine, blonde hair that flaps in the wind. But that still didn't feel right. "I want a black high top afro hair with short sides and fade like Cairo," said Pinocchio. So the toy maker made him some black high top afro hair with some short sides and fade. But that didn't feel right at all. Pinocchio was sad. "Why didn't I feel right with hair like them?" he said. "Because," said Jerome, "you're not them. You are you." Pinocchio didn't understand at first, but then, when he looked into the mirror and he saw how fine he looked, he smiled. "You're right," he said. "I'm perfect, just as I am." I hope you enjoyed The Puppet Who Wanted Hair by Trish Cooke. If you like and subscribe, bye!